Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in Mcx Crude Oil evening session. So we will start with crude oil evening session presentation. Slowly and steadily we will add other commodities also. I'm not going to waste much time by explaining what happened in the morning, and it's very clear that the price is trading on the downside. And now the price is trading around 3460, and the trend is also quite clear, it's on the downside. So what we can do, we need to go for selling. We cannot trade against the trend, and we have marked most of the supports and resistance, which are horizontal support and resistance. For example, you can go and sell at 3460 by placing stop at 3480, a 20 point stop with a 20 point target or 15 point target, expecting the price to come down. So that is one type of trading. Or you can wait for the price to go and hit 3500, then place some 20 point stop and 20 point target or 15 point target. You will have the probability on your side. So that is one way of trading in crude oil. Please don't try to buy on dips, and don't try to go against the day trading trend. Today the trend is quite obvious. The other way of trading is finding out the intermediate levels, because sometimes in the morning session most of the price actions are happening. So for example, today we had almost some 120 points of price action. You cannot expect the same type of price action in the evening session, which means the evening may be a consolidation market, but where you cannot focus on major swings. So that is a necessity for us to identify the intermediate zones. For that, the most effective tool is trend channels and trend lines. And if you want to know how to use this, we have put up a educational video in our YouTube homepage, but I am not going to waste time in explaining that. Please go and see that. So this is one trend channel we had drawn. So it's very clear that the market is following this path. So if at all the price is coming back, it should hit this red line and it should continue its path. If the price is going out for correction, it will convert this 3460 into a support, but it will travel towards this purple line and it will continue its trend. So till this blue line, we could see the price will maintain its selling. So what you need to do is wait for the price to approach this diagonal resistance line, where you can go for selling. This is one trend channel. I am going to add another one also. So I am going to hide this and I am going to add another trend channel. Finally we will add up all together. So this is another trend channel which we have drawn by connecting few highs, the downtrend channel. So this also gives you various supports and support and resistance. Now what I am going to do is I am going to add all these trend channel, and it may look a bit confusing, but for us where we need to focus is the price. I am going to enlarge this, and you could see these are the various zones where I can target. So whenever the price is approaching any lines, you can go for selling by placing some 20 point stop, expecting the market to come down, and that goes till this line, but you can restrict yourself towards 3520. Maybe the profit booking can happen in this support also. So there are two types of trend supports and resistance. One is horizontal support and resistance, and diagonal support and resistance. So for day trading, whenever the price action had happened earlier in the morning session, these are the very effective tools to pick the exact right entry points. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Let us meet tomorrow morning in the pre-open analysis. Take care. Bye.